Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. Today I discuss about the stability of carbocation intermediate. This topic is very much important for our class exam as well as NEET, JEE main, WBJEE exam also. Now, if you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and comment like on this topic. Now my first problem is arrange the following carbocation intermediate in order of its stability. There are given four carbocation. Had discussed the stability of this carbocation in order of increasing stability. For this purpose, in case of A carbocation, which is 1 degree carbocation, which contain 1 hyperconjugable H atom. In case of B, it is 3 degree carbocation, it contains 7 hyperconjugable H atom. And in case of C carbocation, it is 2 degree carbocation, it contains 3 hyperconjugable H atom. We know with increase the number of hyperconjugable H atom, stability of carbon increases. So between A, B, C, which one is more stable? More stable is B, then C, then A. Now let us discuss the stability of carbocation D very specially. In case of D carbocation, this CH2 plus carbon attached with sp2 habitus carbon. This carbon contain double bond. This double bond carbon resonance with CC bond as well as a result resonance will take place. These are the following canonical structure of the carbocation. We know resonance is the most predominant factor in order to stability of carbocation. Since in carbocation D resonance is present, so carbocation D is much more stable. So the stability order is least stable A, then C, then B, and most stable carbocation is D1. The next question is arrange the following carbocation intermediate in order of its stability. These are given the four carbocation. To explain the stability of this carbocation, we write carbocation A is 3 degree carbocation, it contains 7 hyperconjugable H atom. Carbocation B is 2 degree carbocation, it contains 3 hyperconjugable hydrogen atom. Here special carbocation is C, known as benzylic carbocation, where phenyl ring shows plus R effect. Due to plus R effect, this benzylic carbocation becomes much more stable because resonance will take place. These are the four canonical structure of benzylic carbocation. So carbocation C is very stable. In case of D carbocation, which is 1 degree carbocation, it contains 1 hyperconjugable H atom. So between A, B, C, D, carbocation C is very stable. Then stability of A is more because it contains 7 hydrogen atom. Then stability of B and least stable carbocation is here D. So least stable carbocation is D, then stability increases to B, then A, then C. So most stable carbocation is benzylic carbocation, which is C here. In question 3, arrange the following carbocation A, B, C, D in order of its stability. To explain this problem, at first let us draw the structure of A. In carbocation A, the alpha carbon contains 3 electronegative fluorine atom, which shows 3 minus I effect. This 3 minus I effect destabilizes the carbocation, and this carbocation very unstable in nature. Carbocation B is allyl carbocation. It contains a pi bond. This pi bond shows resonance. These are the canonical structure of allyl carbocation. Due to resonance, this allyl carbocation is stable in nature. Carbocation C is cycloheptatrienyl cation. Here plus charge are conjugated with the pi bond of the system. There are also several canonical structure of this carbocation. This cation is cyclic in nature, it is planar in nature, it is conjugated in system. This carbocation contains this carbocation contains 6 pi electrons. It obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. So, according to Huckel, it is a aromatic system, and we know any aromatic system are very stable in nature. So, according to Huckel aromaticity rule, cyclopentadienyl cation is very stable because it is aromatic system. In carbocation D, it is a ethyl carbocation. It contains one methyl, so it's contain one plus I effect, and it contains 3 hyperconjugate H atom. So it is stable but less stable. So between A, B, C, D, the most stable carbocation is C. Then stable carbocation is B due to presence of resonance. Then less stable is D and very unstable is A. So the option are A less than D, less than B, less than C. Due to aromaticity, this C carbocation is very stable. My next problem is arrange the following carbocation intermediate in order of its stability. Option A is isopropyl carbocation, option B ethyl carbocation, option C tert butyl carbocation, and option D methyl carbocation. In isopropyl carbocation, here two methyl group shows 2 plus I effect, and with respect to C plus carbon 6 hyperconjugate H atom are present. In B carbocation, which is ethyl carbocation, here one methyl group present, 1 plus I effect. In ethyl carbocation 3 hyperconjugate H atom are present. In C carbocation, which is actually tert butyl carbocation, here 3 methyl group shows 3 plus I effect, and here 9 hyperconjugate H atom present with respect to C plus. In D, the simplest carbocation, methyl carbocation, here no plus I effect present, here no hyperconjugate H atom present. So methyl carbocation is very unstable. So between these 4 carbocation, carbocation C is much more stable than carbocation A, then carbocation B, and least stable carbocation and most unstable carbocation is D. So this is the correct arrangement of the order of stability of the carbocation. My next question is arrange the following carbocation in order of its stability. These are the 4 carbocation. To solve this question, we have to understand the stability factor present in this carbocation. Let us draw the molecule of A. In carbocation A, where C plus attached to phenyl ring, these two phenyl ring shows very strong plus R effect. So this carbocation C plus carbon attached to 2 plus R effect. Due to 2 plus R effect, this carbocation is very stable in nature. Here also a very weak plus I effect also present. So this carbocation is very stable carbocation. Carbocation B is 2-degree carbocation. Here C plus carbon attached with a phenyl ring, and this phenyl ring shows plus R effect. Due to presence of 1 plus R effect, this carbocation is very stable one, but not very stable, which is option A1. In this carbocation B, this phenyl ring cannot show its plus R effect. Only this phenyl ring, which is attached directly with the C plus carbon atom, shows only plus R effect. So this carbocation contains 1 plus R effect. Also, it is very stable one. Carbocation C is a 2-degree carbocation. Here phenyl ring cannot attach to C plus carbon atom. So phenyl ring cannot show its plus R effect. Here only 4 hyperconjugate H atom are present, so it's very less stable. So carbocation C is less stable in nature in compared to carbocation A and B. Between A, B, C, most stable carbocation is A, then B, then C. Now let us draw the structure of D carbocation. Carbocation D is 1D carbocation, had no plus R effect present, very weak plus I effect present, had no alpha hyperconjugate H atom also present. So this carbocation is very unstable. So increasing order of stability, we can arrange the least stable carbocation is D, then stability increases to C, then stability increases to B, and the most stable carbocation is A. This is the correct order. Now the next question is arrange the following carbocation in order of its stability. There are given 4 carbocation. Let us draw the structure of each carbocation to show where plus I plus R or conjugation present or not. In first case, carbocation A is 1 degree carbocation. It contains 1 plus I effect of propyl group. This carbon contains 2 hyperconjugate H atom only. So it is very less stable one. In option B carbocation, where double bond present, so this double bond undergoes conjugation with the plus charge carbocation, and this carbocation is very stable one because this carbocation is resonance stabilized. In case of C, it is example 2 degree carbocation where it contains 2 plus I effect of one is ethyl group and one is methyl group. 2 plus I effect present as well as 5 hyperconjugate H atom present. In carbocation D, which is 3 degree carbocation, here 3 plus I effect is present, 1 for ethyl group and 2 for methyl group. As well as this carbon contain 8 hyperconjugate H atom. So it is very stable one. Depending on the resonance effect and plus I effect and hyperconjugate H atom, the most predominant effect is resonance effect. So carbocation B is most stable. Then between A, B, C, D, carbocation D is stable. Then C, the least stable carbocation is A. So this is the increasing order of stability of carbocation. Now this is the video where I describe some example of the stability of carbocation. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. And please comment, share and like this video. Press the bell icon below in it. Again, thanks to all of you to watching this video in my channel. Thank you.